Lilac Diesel is something I've grown for quite a while now. It's got a unique dirt profile that's always stood out to me. You may be looking to start a Lilac Diesel crop of your own. Here are 3 tips to help you get the best out of your Lilac Diesel harvest. Number 1. These ladies will stretch. Be prepared for these plants to triple in size after being flipped to flower. If you are not careful, you can easily overgrow a tent if you let these get too tall and veg. Flipping these a bit early or even topping can help. Number 2. No purple, no problem. Don't let the lilac and Lilac Diesel fool you. I've never got much exotic color expression out of my Lilac Diesel ladies. But depending on your location and temperature, your mileage may vary. Number 3. These ladies love the light. My Lilac Diesel plants usually respond well to increased light. Bump up that DLI slightly to increase your yields. Have you ever grown Lilac Diesel? What tips would you have for someone growing Lilac Diesel for the first time? What other strains would you recommend instead? Let us know down in the comments. I hope these tips help your next Lilac Diesel harvest. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, Harvest Watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.